Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to this new episode. This is Adrian here. Welcome to the new subscribers. I don't even know what to start with because today I have something to share with you. So there's something that just arrived. Actually, let me just show you. Just a second. Oh boy, this is finally here, dude. I can't believe this. Oh my god. All right, what this is my new graphics card. Okay, I've been waiting for this for so long. It actually started way back in 2018, I think, when I attended, by the way, I attended this event, industry workshops in London. That was back in 2018, so that's where I was considering getting either a VR set, which required me to buy like a new graphics card, or the iPad, because that was my other thing at the time, you know. I ended up falling for the iPad, and I honestly think is nothing that I have to regret, because if I would have gone for the VR set back then, I wouldn't be having this graphics card now, because I would be using probably a graphics card by that time, you know, 3 years old. And same thing for the VR set, which would be probably like an older version of Oculus Rift. So, but that's for another video, okay? Let's open this up right now. I just want to see it. I want to see it right now. Sorry, I'm so excited. Oh my god. Oh my god. This thing is powerful. What the fuck? Okay, thanks. Guys, this is the real deal, boy. This is it. So, unfortunately, I can't try this right now. I can't test it today because, oh, here's another announcement I have to do. So tomorrow, I'll be streaming, we'll be live streaming at the HEVENURION platform, and you guys can hop in and, you know, you can make an account for free if you want. And yeah, I'll be live drawing, I'll be painting, I'll be discussing any kind of, it'll be some sort of like a chat, you know, with Wallet. So I hope you guys join and say hi, and yeah, and just check out what we've been up to. So I'm saving this for after that live stream is over, just in case I install it right now and it messes up something in the settings, something that... All right, hold on a second, Adrian. I'm sorry guys, but I've been just told that we won't be able to do the live stream tomorrow. What's wrong with my mustache there? We won't be able to do this tomorrow, but we will do it next week. The day and the exact time are still something to be figured out, but stay tuned and I'll drop the info as soon as I have it, which only means that I will be able to test it right away. All right, so this is gonna be some weekend, man. I'm so excited. I can't wait to test it. So yeah, back to the video. It will take a while to fix, and I don't have that time, right? So I don't have to mess this up. So anyway, expect a lot of videos, by the way, coming up with this beast. And also, I want to do like an unboxing and first test with the Oculus Rift S, which is the one that I got. And I actually did like a... Holy shit! Holy shit! Like a video kind of trying to make it work with my current GTX 770, which is like a pretty old card. Let's go. Sensor check complete. What do you mean, bro? Okay, I'm gonna try again. But what do you mean DisplayPort not working? Like, my other screen was literally plugged in the same DisplayPort that I'm plugging these Oculus Rift S. Okay, I'm gonna try again. What do you mean? What do you mean? It's been nice so far. You know, it was able to pull off some nice graphics on most video games that I've tried, but I do kind of see the lack in some programs, especially in 3D, for instance. But have you seen this? This is, by the way, I have to tell you guys the story of how I got this. All right, I'm gonna try and make it short, okay? So I did my research. Okay, I concluded that this particular one was the best choice for me. This is the 3070 RTX 3070 by MSI, which is the one that I thought was the best choice for me. After many reviews, after many comparisons, I've done my research and I concluded that this was the best one, okay? The only problem was that this website, and actually any other website, they were not selling it, okay? Because the product was there on the website, but they didn't have any stock. So, you know, you can do some Google research on this. Not research, just search. You know, search for Nvidia graphics card stock problem, you know, and see what happened. Anyway, I don't even know how, but I noticed that people were leaving comments every day, like, oh, I love this card, you know, oh my God, that was so cool, I'm so lucky to have one. But I thought those were like bots, you know, there was like, dude, how can they come up with those comments? When did they buy it? Because there's no availability of this, right? And that was true, there's no availability. And to make it even harder for you to get one, they actually took away the button which said like buy or get one, or, you know, to purchase. There was no option for you to purchase anything. So what you could do was to say, let me know, okay? So you sign up with your Gmail, with your email, and yeah, and that's it. And they let you know whenever they have stock. That did not work for me, okay? Because I signed up there 3 months ago and I never got any kind of email. So what happened was that now this was pure luck, I think, because for some reason I came up with the idea of signing in, you know, making an account and signing in. And that allowed me to actually save this to my wish list. So if it wasn't because of that move, I wouldn't be having this now, you know, because there's no way you can buy this on that website. At least you can pay like twice the price of this, you know, which by the way are already pretty inflated so far. But yeah, if it wasn't because of that, because I added it to my wish list, I wouldn't be able to have it now, because that was the only way to purchase it. That was the only way to add it to my cart. So yeah, one day I was just happening to show it, you know, to someone. I was like, yeah, this is the one I want to buy, you know, and when it becomes what? So I just realized it was available right there, right at that moment. I'm like, give me a second, I've never seen this screen before. So I instantly purchased it, and oh boy, it's finally here. So yeah, I've been diving into the never-ending void of video tutorials on YouTube about VR, about 3D, and honestly, I can't wait to try it out. So thank you so much, guys, for your support so far. I hope you guys enjoy the content that's coming up with this beast. And oh man, this only makes me even more excited about HEVENURION, you know, because there's so many concepts that I expect to explore in VR that I think is gonna feel even more natural. So I don't know what to say so far. I mean, I don't know what to say right now. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this thing. And by the way, you know what? I'm gonna actually open it real quick. Oh, so it's like this. Oh wow. That's pretty cool. So there's like an envelope here with lots of things. I would have loved to see something like a card saying like, wow, you're one of the lucky ones or something like that. You know, that would be funny. Actually not, because it's not funny at all, because this whole situation with these cards sucks. Anyway, there's some instructions here, some instructions to install it. Alright, I'll take a look later. And the final reveal. Oh, by the way, you have this thing here. Dude, this thing is gonna take the entire case that I have. Oh my god. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Oh, this boy is pretty heavy. Wow, dude. This is pretty heavy, dude. Whoa. Alright, wait. I don't want to touch stuff that I'm not supposed to touch. So, I'm gonna grab it carefully. Wow, bro. Wow. It's finally here. Oh my god. Sorry, I don't know what to say. It's beautiful. Alright, so yeah, that was pretty much it for this episode. I hope I can continue this series in the next one, or you know, I can make like a continuation to this, a follow-up to this episode, and I'll put this in a secure place until I'll be able to install it on my computer, all right? And I hope you guys come by on the stream. We won't be able to do this tomorrow, but we will do it next week. That I'm gonna do tomorrow at HEVENURION, and say hi, just chat for a while, ask me anything, and yeah, and just have some fun together, okay? So yeah, and after that, I'm gonna be putting this beast into the computer, and we're gonna be having some fun doing VR. So yeah. I don't know what to say, guys. Thank you so much for the support. Thanks for everything. It means a lot to me, and I hope to see you guys in the next episode. Until then, please remember to stay creative, take care of yourselves, take care of your souls, and have a good one. Bye bye, guys.